Now I have opened the black color and I will teach you how to take the black color in the brush. The plenty of color is in the brush, little bit water. See the quality the brush is having. Remember this is the plastic board where I am teaching you. You are going to do in your art files. First learn how to put. You are going to put it in angle, right? And drag it straight. Okay? From here you are getting the straight line. Straight line is used in capital as well as the small alphabets. Now I am going to teach you the angular line. I haven't done anything. I just hold my brush angularly. Please practice it up. If you are good in putting the circles, for circle like this, okay, for small circle we are going to use these strokes only to create the complete alphabets of Hindi as well as English, and we required for Hindi the horizontal line like this. Okay, let's come with this starting alphabet A. The small A, right? Then comes B. How to write the small b? Clear? Now comes C, small c. Now D, for straight line, then straight, then half circle, and then we will join it. Small d. Now comes E, for E straight line, then we are going to put it like this, small arc, then big arc. E. Remember this, your hand or something won't spoil your calligraphy. Neatness matters a lot. When you are using the poster color or you are drawing anything, if your work is untidy, no one will like it. Now I am going to put F, the small f, G, small g. Why you will able to see this? Just because this is not the cartridge sheet as you are having in your art file. This is the board, plastic board where I am teaching you. You can do it with the ink or you can do it with the poster color, whatever is available to you. G. Now comes H. I, J, K, small k, L, just because of space I am teaching you small m first. This is the n. When I will add one more, then it will become m. Now I will write the n. This can be used for the O, right? And for P, if I write the P over, if we write it, we can convert it into P also. How? Just I am going to, Q. How? Like this. We can convert it into Q, right? Hope you understand A to L in this video. In next video, I will teach you how to write capital M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V till end. Okay? Bye for now. Hope you understand this. Please complete this task in your art files.